Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix It Felix. This is a quick video showing you how to install the serpentine belt on a 2004 Volkswagen Jetta. You can click the link down below in my description to see how to remove it. This video is just to show you how to install it. Now if you follow my old video, you'll see that you can use a 15mm wrench to put this all the way, to put the tensioner all the way down, and then you put like a little screw or something here to hold it in place. So now you can install the serpentine belt. And I'll show you how it goes in a minute. Okay, it's there. This is the way it goes. Focus. Okay, it goes like that. Then over there it turns. And that's pretty much it. Now you have to just take out the screw. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. You have to remove that screw. Now using the 15mm wrench, you're gonna pull down a little bit and try to remove this little screw we put. Okay, there it's coming out. And there it's out. Now that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, the belt is really tensioned there. So I'm gonna put a link down below where you can buy the serpentine belt. So if you need to buy it, just click the link down below. And thanks for watching this video. If you want to see my other videos on how to remove the alternator and how to install the alternator, I'm gonna put the links down below as well. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. As always, peace.